Hey there, awesome explorers, and welcome back to Fun Kids Learning. Are you ready for an incredible adventure? Today, we are diving deep into the big blue ocean and taking a trip into the wild to learn some of the most amazing facts about our animal friends. Let's get started. First up, let's plunge into the deep sea to meet the giant squid. Did you know this mysterious creature has not one, not two, but three hearts? That's right! Two of its hearts work hard to pump blood through its gills so it can breathe, and the third, bigger heart pumps blood to the rest of its body. How cool is that? Now, let's stomp onto dry land to talk about bears. The big male bears are called boars, and some can weigh as much as 400 pounds. To give you an idea, that's about the same weight as a motorcycle. Wow, that's one heavy animal. Back to the water we go for our slow and steady friend, the turtle. You might think turtles only munch on plants, but many of them have a much bigger menu. They love to eat live food, fresh veggies, and even fruit. It's like they're having a healthy picnic every single day. Splish, splash. Who's that making all that noise? It's the seals. These ocean animals are super chatty. They use clicks and trills to talk to each other. And what's on their dinner plate? They love feasting on fish, birds, and shellfish. Yum! Speaking of birds, let's meet the ducks. A daddy duck is called a drake. A mommy duck is a hen, and their adorable babies are called ducklings. Here's a super fun fact. Their feet never get cold, even in icy water. They have a special system that keeps their feet warm, no matter the weather. Have you ever seen a fish that looks like it's wearing a costume? Meet the Red Sea clownfish. It has a bright, golden-orange body with flashy white and black bands. It's one of the most stylish swimmers in the entire ocean. Back on land, let's talk about the mighty grizzly bear. Ever wonder how it got its name? It's because the tips of its fur have a silvery or grizzled look, which makes them look extra majestic and powerful. And now, for the tallest animal on land, the giraffe. Their legs alone are taller than most kids. Can you imagine having legs that long? They use their height to reach the tastiest leaves at the very top of the trees. Watch out! Here comes a crocodile. These animals are the ultimate predators. They are incredibly strong, super sneaky, and are always watching with those sharp eyes. You definitely don't want to play hide and seek with a crocodile. Did you know the great white shark is older than the dinosaurs? That's right. These ancient swimmers have been around for millions of years. And here's a surprise. They don't actually like to fight. They usually try to avoid conflict whenever they can. Let's race over to the savannah to meet the cheetah. These cats are built for speed, making them the fastest land animal. But here's a cute secret. Cheetahs don't roar like lions. Instead, they purr, just like a giant, happy house cat. Oh dear, let's learn about their families. A dad is a buck, a mom is a doe, and a baby is called a fawn. They have a sweet tooth for nature's candy, loving to eat plants, berries, and even flowers. Let's dive back into the water to see the pufferfish, also known as a blowfish. When this fish gets scared, it can inflate itself like a balloon. This makes it look much bigger and spikier, scaring away any predators who might want to mess with it. Don't pop this balloon! Who has the loudest roar in the animal kingdom? The lion. Lions are part of the big cat family and are the second largest cats after tigers. But when it comes to roaring, They are the undisputed champions. Their roar can be heard from miles away. Hee-haw! Let's talk about donkeys. A baby donkey is called a foal. A boy donkey is a stallion, and a girl is a mare. They are known for being strong and hardworking animals. How can you tell the difference between a monkey and an ape? It's all in the tail. Most monkeys have long tails that help them balance, while apes don't have tails at all. Now you're an expert. Be careful in the water, because a box jellyfish is tiny but mighty. It has one of the most powerful venoms in the entire animal kingdom. It's a good reminder that even small creatures can be incredibly strong. From one of the most dangerous to one of the smallest. The pea crab is the tiniest crab in the world. It's so small. It's about the size of a pea. How cute is that? Remember Dory from Finding Nemo? She's a blue tang. In aquariums, they're beautiful and popular. But in the wild, they have a secret weapon. They can use sharp spines near their tails to defend themselves. What has stripes but isn't a tiger? A zebra. And here's something amazing. Every single zebra has a unique pattern of stripes, just like a human's fingerprint. No two zebras are exactly alike. Let's meet one of the sneakiest hunters in the sea, the seahorse. Instead of chasing its food, it stays perfectly still and waits. When a tiny creature swims by, the seahorse slurps it up with its long snout. So clever! What's for dinner? If you're a killer whale, you might be having herring. These intelligent animals, also known as orcas, hunt together in family groups called pods to catch their favorite fish. Did you know baby dolphins can't breathe underwater? Just like us. They are mammals and need to come up to the surface to breathe air through a blowhole on top of their heads. Our furry friend, the dog, might not be a sea animal, but they have superpowers. Their sense of smell and hearing are so incredible. It's like they're real-life superheroes, always ready to protect and play. What does rhinoceros mean? It means nose horn. And here's a funny fact about black rhinos. They actually run on their tiptoes. It's amazing how such a large animal can be so light on its feet. Last but not least, let's waddle with the penguins. When they're swimming, they use their feet like rudders on a boat, steering themselves left and right as they zoom through the chilly water. Wow! What an adventure! From squids with 3 hearts to zebras with unique stripes, the animal kingdom is full of incredible surprises. Which animal fact was yours?